Hello, so today I wanted to show you a cool new way to install apps on Windows. So you go to winget.run and then you just select the things that you want. For example, I need Google Chrome, so I type Chrome. Yeah, so here I use Chrome beta normally. Then, for example, Visual C++, enter C++, add, then all the others add. Wait, no, this one is for ARM. Now DirectX. Also the DirectX installer, I don't know, Java 8, Java 19, and for example, PowerToys. Well, no, I don't know, anything you want, Telegram. Now you click here, and if you have enabled PowerShell scripts, you can run this script. Otherwise, you can just copy the command and open terminal as admin, and then type, yeah, we are in PowerShell, so we don't need to type anything anymore. And then enter. And it will install all these apps automatically without even clicking something like accept or other things. It will do everything automatically. Also, using this tool, with this app, you can even update all your apps, even not from like even installed from other places. If you type include unknown, okay, so I don't know why the last thing didn't work. So now it's updating all these things, because I have all these things an older version. Even like external apps, there are a lot of things that it can update. Can uninstall apps with this. You type Winget list. Okay, yeah, a lot of things will come up, and now you can uninstall anything that you want. For example, I don't know, Windows SDK add-on. We need to copy this and then paste. It didn't work for me, so typing minus name and the name of the app, it worked. Finally, yes. So that's all for today. Well, for this video, thank you for watching and see you next time.